Welcome to the art room, where creativity starts. Hello, good morning kids. How are you today? Today we are going to learn how to do these small flowers for decoration. Follow my steps and don't forget to send me pictures and videos of your artwork. We can make them in many different colors and pieces. I love colors. Colors are the smiles of nature. Colors, colors everywhere, colors, colors here and there. You will need
scissors,
school glue,
coloring pencils, and white or colored paper.
You can use 2 pieces of paper, 1 and 2, 3 pieces of paper, 1, 2, 3, or 4 pieces of paper, 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can even use as many papers as you want. I will use white paper. Fold the paper in half and cut it. Follow my steps while listening to music. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share with me your artwork. Bye bye.